Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now by unlocking your device and opening settings. You need access to the Emergency or SOS section. You do this because Emergency SOS settings control automatic location sharing. Once in settings, identify whether the phone, paired watch, or an account is the sender, since you must change each source separately. Make sure you've chosen the correct device. Incorrect choice leaves location active. If you use two-factor apps, pause them briefly so notifications don't interrupt the configuration. Next, focus on the automatic sharing controls. Toggle off auto call or auto SOS so the device won't initiate alerts without your confirmation. Then, find emergency contacts or share during SOS and switch location sharing off. This stops sending live coordinates. After that, open location or privacy and revoke permissions for any SOS-related apps or services. Once done, make sure to check paired devices like watches. They inherit settings or may have independent permissions that also need disabling. Finish by verifying changes. Simulate an SOS sequence without completing the send to confirm no location transmits and review any alert previews. Then restart your device to apply changes and reopen settings to confirm toggles remained off. If the device still sends location, remove emergency contacts or disconnect the paired device. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If problems persist, contact the device manufacturer. Explain steps you've taken so support can escalate effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.